Okay, hello, this is Longlegs Productions, and I'm gonna show you a basic C# tutorial. So, we're gonna open C#. Right there. I have Visual Studio 2003 C#. You want to go to New Project, console application, save it, let's see, tutorial, try that, okay, let's press OK. This is a basic console application tutorial. So, okay, so if you see this, if you have the version I have, 2003, you'll see this. If you don't, then it doesn't matter. Just skip that. And here we go. So let's write a line. So you'd say console.write line. And here we can enter what we want. So how about welcome? What is your name? I want to end that. Okay, there you go. Every time when you want to write a line or read a line, you always start with console dot or console. Now, what we want to do is write a string. So we want to write string, then you can name the string whatever you want. So I'm just going to name it enter, or how about name? And then you'll say this. So the string name equals console.readLine. Read line means that the user will type in something on that line. So where it says, you'd say, you can see, welcome. So it'd write a line that says, welcome, what is your name? And the person enters something. It won't do anything yet. So then we would write, how about this? Console.write line hello. And then you want to do a space. You want to close it, and then do a space, okay? As you can see, I put a space right there. Then you want to do plus, and then plus name. Plus what they entered up there, the string name, what they entered up there. What they entered right here. Okay, so after you do that, I'm gonna close that. Then let's test it. So let's go up here and debug. Doesn't matter. You can start without debugging or whatever. As you can see, it opens the console and it says, welcome, what is your name? You could basically enter anything and it would say hello, whatever you enter. So watch, I can enter anything. Look, hello. It said hello, blah, blah, blah. So to enter, now we could do an if else. So watch this. Let's erase. Okay, so I'm gonna erase that. Oops, oh, I forgot something. Okay, now you want to do if name, which is that string up there. If name equals, you have to do equals. If you just do equals, it's gonna say the name equals this. You want it to say if name someone types in, that's what the equals is. So let's say if it equals awesome. Close it, but do not enter that, or else you're going to be closing that if part. So what you want to do is, if this equals this, whatever, you'd say console.writeLine I know it's awesome. And then you want to close that because you just closed that if part. Then you want to do else. Then you're saying if else. If name equals awesome, console.writeLine I know it's awesome. If you do else, then this is if it doesn't enter awesome. So you want to do console.writeLine. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, sorry. Move that and close that bean. Okay. As you see that, you could. Oh, right. I forgot to enter that. Okay. Now, there you go. I've got this. Let's test it out. Now you can see it says, "Welcome, what is your name?" Let's enter awesome. It says, "I know it's awesome." Now do it again. Now enter something random. It says, "I don't know what you're talking about." There you go. Now watch this. If you wanted to enter, if you just don't want one if, then watch this. You would write else if. Wait, I think it's actually if else. No, sorry, it's else if. If name equals cool, you'd say console.writeLine cool. There you go. Now what? Oh right. Okay. There you go. Now you got that. And then, oh yeah, you know how it kept exiting when it was finished? If you're debugging, you want to put a debug at the end so it doesn't automatically close. Else, if you start without debugging, you don't need that breakpoint thing. So let's go to debug. And then it says, "Welcome, what is your name?" Let's do awesome. Okay, why not? Let's enter cool. It says cool. Doesn't know what cool is. Now if you try it again, you can do awesome. It says, "I know it's awesome." And then, you know, if it else, it will say, "I don't know what you're talking about." So, that was basically a tutorial of C#, so see ya.